Hello, how you doing? My name is Ryan from Fireplace and Chimney Pros, and I'm here with Josh today.
Hello?
There's a very good chance you remember his friendly face as he was out to your home recently. We're reaching out to you today because there's a very good chance that we offered you some solutions to some of the findings that we found. We're going to let Josh talk about why he left those with you and maybe how he can further assist you. Go ahead, Josh.
Yeah, so anytime we come to your home, our number one concern, of course, is going to be for the safety and welfare of you and your household. When we come out and we offer solutions based on the findings of an inspection, they really are born from a point of concern. Sometimes we see deficiencies that might just affect performance. They might affect safety. Sometimes they affect both. But we want you to know that anytime we come to your home and we give you a solution, we really do offer those because we believe that's the very best possible fix for your particular situation. And we want you to be happy with whatever repairs you might be deciding to go with.
That's right. So that's a really good message. The one thing I want to add to that is that when you're on the job site, your goal is to leave them with a solution.
Right.
But that may not be the only solution, and it may not be the solution that you like. So if that's something that you would like revisited, you'd like some other options, please reach out to us. We can help you with that. We can also go through and assist you further with any of the pricing structures. Your goal was to give them a solution,
Right,
and leave them with a ballpark cost.
right. Yeah, the solutions we offer, those aren't just what we want them to have. We want them to be happy with whatever solution they pick. It doesn't have to be just what we gave them at that time.
Right.
We're happy to help.
And to go along with that is that with those solutions, there's a lot of variables. I mean,
Right.
the chimney industry, it seems like just a simple masonry structure or metal pipe going through your house, but it's actually quite complicated.
Yeah, it's a whole system.
And so we have, multiple tiers of people that will evaluate these solutions that were offered, and we can fine tune that not only with the actual work scope, but also maybe the cost of the work as well. So we're here to help you. We're here to offer our customers, what, like you said, what they want, the best solution, and also work with you on the cost. We want to make sure that you understand what we're offering to you. And talking about that, that's what we find when we work with other clients. They don't really understand the paperwork that they're getting. They don't understand what they're doing.
Yeah, we're very happy to offer more explanation. We realize that what they're seeing in front of them might not be completely what they are used to. So we're always more than happy to jump in, to lend a helping hand,
Right.
to help you feel comfortable with the solutions that we offer.
That's absolutely right. So the next time that we're out to your home, or maybe you already have paperwork sitting in front of you, please review it and don't be afraid to ask questions. You can email us through our website. You can reach out to our technicians through their personal work email address, and you can always pick up the phone and give us a call. We're here to help you. We want to assist you. We want to make sure that your system is performing as good as it can possibly be. So, as in conclusion here, once again, my name is Ryan from Fireplace and Chimney Pros. Josh is here with me,
Thank you.
and we care about you, your home, and your safety. We look forward to hearing back from you. Thank you.